you just get me, yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow.
Hey babes, I am Nisa Andrea, and in today's video, I will be showing you how I do my cluster lashes. This will be my first time using these, so I will see how I like them with y'all. I normally get lashes that are fuller, but I wanted to try something a little natural, not too much. So first, I just want to make sure my eyelid is clean, so I just wipe it off with the alcohol wipe just to make sure it's clean, and I'm just getting anything that's on my eyelid off. And then I start with the bond, and I just add that over my lashes. I try to go over them twice, no more than twice, but I don't have many lashes in the corner, so I may go over it a little bit more. If you add too much, it can cause your lashes to stick to your bottom eyelid, and we don't want that.
You know I get Lash,
We can't just be talking about it. I want you from inside it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me your outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild.
So right here, I'm just going to do the same thing that I did on the other side. 2 14s, 2 12s, and 2 10s.
What have you become? That's what you've been. I was blind, I was in it, I was bad. Oh, I thought that I was changing you. I can't believe I faced you. You know your mama ain't raised you like that. Look at your behavior, that's what she ashamed of you. Damn, look at what you become. Matter of fact, what you've been. I was just blind, I was just so in it. I was just so committed. No, I don't regret it. I learned what love is once I.
So now I am just going to go over my lashes with the seal to make sure that they are locked in. And yeah, you have reached the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I think I will have to get used to these lashes. They're a little too natural, but I think I can get used to it. So yeah, see you guys in the next video.
You feeling dead, so I said that I was needing. I thought you would be real, I thought you would be right. Talking all that tough shit,